Hello, I would like to discuss the problems in Roman numeral analysis and harmonic analysis. So the first thing we need to do when analyzing a piece of music is identifying the key. And very often, or most often, the key signature will give away the key, but in some cases it doesn't. So for example, if let's say if I were to analyze this particular key, this particular piece in the key of E minor, so this is actually a student solution, and anyways, if we start in E minor, then well, of course, this would be an uppercase Roman numeral, so it's actually E major chord and so on. But what we can see if we pursue this analysis, then there is no dominant tonic resolution. So we must have dominant tonic resolution. So we also know that common root movements are third down, fifth down, and second up. But a chord progression like a 4 going to a 3 is a very uncommon, or okay, a 4 to a 1 6 could be possible, but there is no 5 1, right? So this analysis turns out to be wrong. So just by looking at the progression and by not finding a 5-1 resolution, a dominant tonic resolution. So always look for a dominant tonic resolution and look for cadence points. There are two obvious cadence points here. There are where the fermatas are, and so there is no fifth down here, but there is a fifth down here, an E chord to an A chord, and that looks like a dominant tonic resolution. So that means that the key here would be A, A minor in this particular case. And here we have the fermatas on E major. A is before that. Here we start out with E major and we have A minor here. So it seems like that the entire passage is in A minor, and the pickup, now there are instances where the pickup has a 1 chord, but very often if there is a pickup, it's actually on the dominant, so dominant tonic resolution. So what happens here on this cadence point is that you have a dominant tonic resolution earlier, and then the phrase ends on a half cadence on a 5 chord in the key of A minor, right? So how can we make sure that this is correct? Well, let's try to listen to it. So I will just play the beginning. No is the tonic. So we try to listen and maybe stop. No, there's the tonic. So we try to listen and stop at any point and try to feel where the tonic is and sing the tonic. And so in this case, the piece is not in E minor as the key signature might indicate, but in A minor. Also, let's look at another number here. So here the student actually provided two possible analyses, one in D minor, one in G major. And the reason is the student realized that it doesn't make too much sense to analyze the piece in D minor or D major. For that matter, actually, it looks more like D major. But it doesn't make sense because there is no dominant tonic resolution. So if we were to listen to this, it sounds like this. So again, here we have, so dominant, tonic. At the pickup we have a dominant, and then we have the tonic, which is G minor, and this is an F sharp diminished chord, which is 7 diminished 6, and back to 1. So this analysis, the second analysis, is almost correct, except the inversion symbols here are switched on chords 3 and 4. So again, look for dominant tonic resolutions, and also play through and listen to the piece, and stop at any time to make out to where we actually feel or hear the tonic and sing the tonic, and then match that. Maybe use your instrument to play it. So have fun analyzing more pieces. Bye.